It's 8:30, May 28th. Just had a big rain, and down in the corner over there is where it's running into my foundation. Runs down the driveway. Right here where they put this new road in. And this car path here, all this water comes down, going all the way up there. This one did too. I'm trying to dam it over just with gravel. Should go over here. Then it comes back in, runs down the road. It just rained for about 10 minutes really hard just now. Before this used to run over here, used to hit this new pavement, come down here. All this water is running down next to my foundation, and my sump pump's running.